So this is a mixture, Bisquick Buttermilk Biscuits. I'm just going to open this pack and add it to my bowl. The recipe requires half a cup of water, so I'm just going to do that quickly. I like doing these to my husband. I'm not eating any breads and stuff these days as I'm on the carnivore diet, but I like making it for my husband, something nice and quick, and it's nice and warm and hot, you know, in the mornings, you know, and again, it's easy to do, doesn't take much effort. And to this, if you want to be creative, you could add maybe some raisins or maybe some almonds, you know, be creative a bit, make something different taste each time. As you can see here, this is the way I like to mix it, kind of like a folding kind of technique when you're doing pastries. For best results for me, this is how I do it. Okay, so here's my mixture, nicely mixed in. This basically took me about 5 minutes. Open the pack, pour it out, and mix everything together. So next step is to get this to prepare for baking, for frying. So this is what I'm using, my favorite frying pan with the grooves. I think they call it like an egg frying pan or something like that. But I'm using it for different things like this, salmon patties. I also did the tuna patties in this too as well. It makes it so much easier. So I'm just going to simply use some ham spray just to line each groove, and then I'm going to put in a spoonful of the mixture. If there are any excess in my bowl, I'll just fill up the grooves that has the least amount, like this one for example. What I really like about this frying pan is that normally when I make my patties from way back, I used to like take out a portion, put it in my hands and form the mixture into a circular shape. And that took a little time, but it is so much easier. But actually with this with these biscuits, you don't really have to form them into any shape. So I'm going to put this on my stove and let these cook. So here's my frying pan on the stove. I have my fire basically on medium heat. I'm going to cover this and to let them get nice and brown and golden brown. Okay, so a few minutes has passed, so what I'm going to do, I'll make attempt to turn over each one, see how nice and brown it has gotten. So I'm doing this with one hand. Okay, as this sort of get a little burnt a bit, which is all good, I'm going to lower my stove to basically low and let the other side cook properly. I'm going to cover this pan again. This should be done probably about the next 5 minutes. Okay, these biscuits are all done. I'm going to remove them from the pan. What I like about it, when you remove the cover, you'll just see the steam just being exposed, so you know that whatever is inside of here is really being cooked. Really nice. nice and warm, great for breakfast, or maybe like for dinner with a cup of tea. Really nice.